The Calm Classic Dog Toy is a durable rubber toy that provides mental stimulation and satisfies a dog's chewing instincts. It has a hollow center for stuffing treats and can be used for crate training or redirecting chewing behavior. It's a versatile and engaging toy for dogs of all sizes. Medium dogs, up to 35 pounds. The Calm Classic Red Rubber Toy is 2.25 inches by 3.5 inches. It helps satisfy dogs' instinctual needs while providing mental stimulation and encouraging healthy play. Fetch and Chew Toy. The Calm Classic's unpredictable bounce makes for exciting games of fetch and other interactive play with your pet. This is a fun way for average chewers to get the exercise they need. Stuffing. The stuffable Calm Classic is even more enticing when treat-filled with bits of kibble, peanut butter, Calm Easy Treat, snacks, or Ziggies. Bonus, for an added challenge, freeze stuffed Calm for 4 to 6 hours before giving to your dog. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Vet recommended. Veterinarians and trainers worldwide recommend the Calm Classic as one of the best durable dog toys available. Made in the USA. Globally sourced materials. The Chuck It Power Flight Flyer is a popular dog toy designed to resemble a frisbee. It is specifically created for interactive play with dogs and is known for its durability and flight performance. Durable construction. The Power Flight Flyer is made from a strong and rugged fabric material that can withstand rough play and chewing. Aerodynamic design. The Frisbee has a lightweight and aerodynamic design, allowing it to fly effortlessly through the air. It is great for long-distance throws and catching games. High visibility. The Power Flight Flyer comes in bright colors, making it highly visible to both dogs and their owners, even in low-light conditions. This feature makes it easier for dogs to track the toy during play. Floats in water. This Frisbee is also buoyant, meaning it floats on water. It is an excellent choice for dogs who enjoy playing fetch in pools, lakes, or at the beach. Easy to clean. The Chuck It Power Flight Flyer is easy to clean, making it convenient for outdoor use. It can be rinsed off or wiped down after use. The Nylabone Power Chew Toy is a durable dog toy designed to withstand strong chewing and promote healthy chewing habits in dogs. It is made by Nylabone, a well-known brand that specializes in dog chews and toys. Made of durable nylon, long-lasting dog toy for aggressive chewers discourages destructive chewing. Textured ring shape, engaging chew toy for dogs is easy for furry friends to hold and chew. Promotes dog dental health. Ridges and nubs help prevent plaque and tartar buildup as dogs chew. Made in the USA, Dog Chew Toy is proudly made in the United States. Flavor medley throughout. Chew Toy features an enticing flavor dogs love. For extra large dogs, size Super Chew Toy intended for dogs over 50 pounds. Chew Toy dimensions. Out of package measures 6.5 inches long by 2 inches wide by 2.06 inches high. The Nerf Dog Tennis Ball Blaster is a popular dog toy that allows you to launch tennis balls for your furry friend to chase and retrieve. It's designed to provide interactive play and exercise for dogs, as well as a fun bonding experience for you and your pet. Nerf Tough. Nerf quality materials make our compact tennis ball blaster perfect for fetch and for teaching your dog new tricks. Easy operation. Operating the blaster is as easy as pulling back on the handle, loading the ball, and taking your shot. Goes the distance. Skyrocket tennis balls up to 50 feet. With adjustable power, you can easily change the distance of your shots and adapt to any environment, whether it is a big park or a small garden. For small, medium, and large breeds, smaller diameter ball is great for dogs of all sizes. Safety first. Designed with your dog's safety in mind, each of our dog toys are tested to ensure endless hours of family fun. The Crinkle Duck Dog Toy is a popular toy designed for dogs to play with. It typically features a plush duck-shaped exterior that is filled with crinkle material. The crinkle material makes a satisfying noise when dogs bite or squeeze the toy, which can engage their attention and stimulate their play instincts. Premium soft chew toys for dogs. These adorable dog crinkle toys no stuffing ducks provide your four-legged best friend with an interactive chew toy that makes noise, keeps them engaged, and is gentler on teeth, gums, and dental health. Cute and colorful duck shape. Shaped like a real duck, these dog crinkle toys for small dogs, medium dogs, and every size in between comes in 6 unique colors and provides a more puppy-friendly shape that's easy to carry around. No fluff, no mess design. Unlike messy bones, ropes, or other toys for aggressive chewers, these dog crinkle toys won't leave behind a mess after they're done playing. They also boast reinforced fabric and stitching to help them hold up to chewing. Active play, tossing, and retrieving. Our cute duck chew toys for dogs can be used for bonding with your puppy, reducing stress or separation anxiety, or simply giving them an active outlet for channeling aggression or intense play. Great gift, whether you're looking for an exciting birthday, holiday, or just because gift for your fur baby, you can't go wrong with these incredibly fun dog toys. Click add to cart now. Please note that our toys are not edible or meant for consumption.